Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME GameStop. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very rough day on this one here, so certainly a lot of updates need to be made as we head into Friday. First, I'm going to do is just house clean and get rid of all these lines here. They serve their purpose for now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere, so let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first main level of resistance to watch headed into Friday, and this is just based on a foundational rule in technical analysis, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So we're going into the day, that pink line right there, which on my chart represents the very famous, the very well-known. I mean, if you are just learning about technical analysis and charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period moving average. But that was an area of support, and it did for a while. It behaved as support, but ultimately the price fell down below there. So my point here is that if there is any sort of bounce back to the upside, $238 is now going to be that initial area of resistance that you're going to want to watch very closely. If the price can push up through there, then the next key level after that would then be up there right around $248. So 238, 248 going to be the main levels to watch on any sort of attempted bounce. But if this bleeding continues, where some next potential areas of support at, as you're seeing here, I'm going to squeeze down the chart here quite a bit because it's been a while since the price has been down to this area of the chart. But next near-term area of support to keep an eye on, right down there at the 205 mark. And then if the price cannot quite hold above 205, next key level will then just be this former breakout area, which sits right around the 195 mark. So keep your eye on those levels from the support side of things. And then already talked about the areas of resistance. So headed into Friday, these are going to be the main technical levels to keep an eye on. So let's see how this one decides to close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.